Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to add correct and incorrect answer in Google Form. Let's get started. Take a blank form, give the title and remove the question. Go to setting, turn on the quiz and turn on the missed question and correct question. Missed question and correct question, and go back the question, create the question, set the answer key, answer key, go to preview, fill up the question, and submit. View the score, check the correct answer and incorrect answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.